Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for BeReal. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and download BeReal and open that. Once you open that, you simply need to click on here. You can see that you enter your name. So I'm going to enter How to Solutions. Okay, and then you need to click on Continue. And here you need to enter your date of birth, so let me enter my date of birth. Click on continue, and here you need to select your phone. So first you need to select your country, so let me select my country. And once I select my country, I need to enter my number, so let me select my country. Okay, so currently I am in this country, and here you need to put your number. Then you need to click on continue. You will receive a code that you need to put here, so wait for a few seconds. You will receive a code. I put a code, so here I need to click enter my username, so I'm going to do enter my username. Then I need to click on continue. If you want to find your friends, you simply need to click on allow contacts. So here you can see that I simply invite my friends if I want. Then I need to click on continue. And click on that allow while using the app. So here you can see that my BeReal account is set up. So this is a process by which you can sign up for BeReal. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.